Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Hisense air conditioner, and I'm also going to show you where you can find the reset button if your model has one. So if you have a Hisense window or portable air conditioner, you first of all need to inspect the power cord plug, which can look something like this. Now, on many of the models, you are going to see these types of two reset and the test buttons available on it. So if you see the reset button on top of it, you just have to simply press it firmly until it clicks. And this is going to basically restore the power to the unit after the plug's safety circuit has tripped. Now, if you are using the Hisense split air conditioner, you just have to simply open the front panel of the indoor unit. Now, on many of the models, you are going to see a small manual control or emergency operation button, which is going to be near the right side of the control panel. While it is mainly used to operate the AC without a remote, pressing it can also restart the indoor unit. Now, these two are the methods when you have the reset button available on top of your AC. But if you don't have a reset button, what you can do is you can just simply perform a manual reset. In it, you just have to first of all turn off your AC with the help of its remote. Afterwards, you just have to also basically shut down with the help of the circuit breaker, and you need to leave it as it is for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And after this time duration, you just have to restore the power and turn your AC on. So this also works as a restart or the reset method. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.